I am Anany Ranjan. I did my physics from Azim Premji University and I graduated in 2023.
My name is Kavya and I recently graduated with a bachelor's in history.
Myself, Lokesh Manikanta. I graduated from Azim Premji University. I did B.Sc Humanities as my course.
I work with an organization called ThinkTac and they make hands-on experiential learning activities which helps the student as well as teachers to make their teaching and learning experience better. It has been a really pleasing journey for me to working with the students as well as teachers. Whenever I hear from the teachers that they have been utilizing the pedagogy that was delivered to them during the training or during the workshop, and they come and say that students are really enjoying and it has changed my teaching and learning methodologies. They can see the impact of their work in the classroom as students are more engaged.
Currently, I work as a tour guide in Unhurried. So Unhurried is an organization that conducts private tours. We sort of do storytelling and awareness on local histories of Bangalore. I would say since first grade, I picked up this little book on discovery of Tutankhamun, and that's where my excitement for history started. I realized in probably around 10th grade that history is something that I want to do for the rest of my life.
Here in Teach for India, I work with low-income and underprivileged government schools. I work as a teacher inside the classroom. I'm currently teaching 5th graders. Here, inside the classroom, I lead the classrooms with love, where our methods are also fun, fast and effective, where they learn with joy, where they learn with happiness. And also here in this organization, we just don't come and teach inside the class. We go into the communities and work with the stakeholders, parents. We create an environment for the kid back at home also to be comfortable and confident to work in their education.
Studying education along with physics at APU helped me a lot for this role, as I'm every day sitting with teachers and help them in different pedagogies and teaching and learning methodologies.
Art history is usually something that is never taught in a general sort of undergraduate history program. I had a great time at APU and I would give a large part of that credit to my professors. They give you so much space to explore and give you so many resources that you can sort of take from the class and then build upon and then do something completely different with it.
The main reason for me to pick this Teach for India as an opportunity and join this fellowship is, back at my university, I have done a course called Interdisciplinary Subject and I took education as my course, where I have learned many things about educational system, and there my professors, my mentors, they taught me education is not just something that's in books. It's something completely outside the classroom also.
I studied till 5th grade in a government school and there was a lot of things that was not right when I was studying. While working, I can see that when I'm able to do certain things for the students, I feel that joy, and I believe that I wish I had those resources when I was growing up back then.
Teach for India has given me a wonderful opportunity to directly work on ground with the kids and change the educational system. So we work on this mission called one day all children will attain an equal and quality education.
If I had to paint a general picture of what I want to do in the future, I would like to get into either heritage management or museum curation or, well, I don't know, I'm open to it. I feel like it's endless possibilities from here.